Erica Lee, a psychologist at Boston Children's Hospital. It's always good to see you, doctor. So the term stranger danger sounds scary. Where does it rank among the threats that families need to worry about?
Yeah, it's such a great question because this is understandably a family's worst nightmare scenario. One thing to know is actually that the statistics show that most kids who are abducted by someone they know rather than a stranger. So teaching kids about quote unquote stranger danger may actually not be the most effective strategy. And what experts are saying is that instead you need to teach your kids to learn to recognize danger cues, understand the idea of consent and saying no, and know to trust their instincts when something feels uncomfortable.
Dr. Lee, question two. The risk obviously may be small, but it's not zero. So what's your advice for parents?
Yeah, it's an understandable fear that parents have. It's important to talk to your kids about personal safety, right? Give your kids opportunities ahead of time to practice different scenarios so they actually feel prepared. The National Center for Missing and Exploited Children has some great resources on their website, both for families and also for schools. So parents, you can go on there, you can download tip sheets. I think they're available in English and in Spanish. And they basically are ways to teach your kids about personal safety, about boundaries, how to stay safe. So things like, always check in with a trusted adult before going anywhere or getting in anyone's car. How should you attract attention or say no if someone tries to grab you? What are the common ways that someone might try to entice you with like a ride or candy or money? And what can you do in those scenarios so that way kids are more prepared?
As parents, we of course want our kids to come to us and say, I'm having a problem if it's with another adult, but sometimes they don't. So are there ways that we can increase the odds that they will?
Yeah, absolutely. So the trust and love, parents, that you're building in your relationship with your kids, this applies to this like anything else, right? You want to give your kids explicit permission to say no when they feel uncomfortable and to talk to you if they've been in some kind of situation that feels wrong or uncomfortable to them. So a common example these days actually that we have to think about is, if you're interacting with a relative, oftentimes parents will say like, oh, just give them a hug or give them a kiss, but sometimes kids don't want that physical closeness. And so trying to respect that and saying to your kids, okay, I understand if you want to say no, you can say no politely, but it is a way to give a clear message to your kids, like your body is your own and you can choose when you want to be touched. But that can be a way to kind of prevent against some of this other stuff that we're talking about.
Dr. Lee, great advice. Great to see you. Happy Monday.
Same to you.
Thanks, doctor.